Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Port Charles, Southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Yukon SLT. Beautiful white SLT is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, parking sensors, traction control, auto stop start, your 4x4 push button, transmission dial. You can cycle between normal, sport, off-road, and even tow haul. Automatic headlights and fog lights, integrated trailer braking system here as well. A leather wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, and forward collision warning all equipped in there. Our gear select has now moved to the button system. Nice, clean, and tidy. Very easy to use. No more fumbling around in between gears. You have your drive, neutral, reverse, and then park. Nice and easy there. You have dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, wireless charging pad, USB-C, and USB ports. We have a 10.2-inch touchscreen now, brand new. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, all in there. We have the all-black interior with the SLT locking glove box, Bose audio equipment, and black leather seats, which come with the light gray piping throughout. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Yukon SLT, we do have the custom factory 22-inch wheel and tire package. Those beautiful black rims and black lug nuts with the black center caps with GMC in there. Color matched door handles with chrome accents and keyless entry. Blacked out running boards, stationary as well. LED and camera on our mirror caps there. Coming to the front of the vehicle, LED daytime running lamps, fog lamps, and parking sensors with that big chrome GMC grille. Making our way to the back again, mud flaps installed from the factory, as well as our rear tinted privacy windows. Coming to the rear, we got LED tail lamps, parking sensors, trailer tow hitch, power tailgate as well, wrapped up in the Yukon SLT. Taking a quick look at the interior of our SLT again, our second row, captain's chairs, both leather heated and car seat ready. We have the quick fold down feature, 1 and 2. Pops that seat right up, giving you tons of room to easily access the third row 60/40 split. We have LED lights over top with extra headroom LED lighting, that nice white light on the black headliner. You got your dual pane sunroof over top, opening up the roof there, very luxurious. Heated seat controls, USB-C ports, and there's an outlet as well as your rear climate control. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Yukon SLT. If this is your next luxurious 7-passenger full-size V8 SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.